The DJI AVATA 360 is shaping up to be one of the most interesting drones DJI has worked on, mainly because it tries to blend two very different worlds into one machine: fast and immersive FPV flying and full 360-degree cinematic video capture. From the leaks, regulatory filings, and early reports, it is clear that DJI is preparing a drone that doesn't simply follow the path of the AVATA 1 or AVATA 2, but pushes into a new hybrid category. This combination opens doors for creators who want immersive VR-style content, dynamic action shots, or simply more flexibility when filming. Instead of carrying multiple devices, AVATA 360 aims to become a single, powerful tool that replaces both a dedicated FPV drone and a 360 camera setup. The camera and sensor system is the heart of what makes the AVATA 360 stand out. Based on current information, the drone is expected to feature dual 1/1.1-inch image sensors designed to capture high-resolution 360-degree visuals. These sensors allow the drone to see and record everything in all directions, making reframing and editing far easier for creators. Leaks also suggest that the camera housing can rotate or tilt up to 90 degrees, giving pilots the flexibility to switch between traditional forward-facing FPV shots and full 360-degree recording mode. This rotating system is something rarely seen on consumer drones, and if DJI executes it well, it could dramatically expand creative possibilities. Alongside the camera, the drone is also expected to include enhanced obstacle avoidance sensors on the front and sides, possibly combining optical sensors with LiDAR-type technology. This is especially important because flying FPV drones usually means sacrificing safety sensors, but AVATA 360 seems designed to give pilots speed and agility without completely removing protective systems. If these sensors work smoothly, they could make FPV-style flying more accessible to beginners while providing experienced pilots with extra confidence when navigating tight spaces. One of the most exciting aspects of AVATA 360 is its expected video performance. Leaks point to the ability to record 8K 360-degree video at 50 frames per second, something that would make it one of the most powerful aerial 360 cameras available. This level of resolution is crucial for immersive content because 360-degree footage gets stretched around a sphere. Higher resolution helps maintain sharpness after editing and reframing. In forward-facing FPV mode, the drone is rumored to shoot 4K video at up to 120 frames per second, which is extremely valuable for fast action scenes and slow-motion effects. Having both modes in one machine means creators won't have to decide between capturing immersive spherical shots or pure FPV action. They can get both in a single flight. The drone is also expected to support rich color profiles such as 10-bit or log-style modes, offering more control during color grading in post-production. For still photography, the 360-degree system may produce around 38-megapixel panoramic images, giving creators enough detail to crop, reframe, or repurpose photos creatively. Ultimately, these camera capabilities make AVATA 360 a flexible tool that satisfies both casual creators who want easy cinematic shots and advanced users who need professional-level footage. Even with the advanced camera system, AVATA 360 appears to be designed with strong flight performance in mind. According to FCC documents and leaked spec sheets, the drone will likely use a 38.67 watt-hour battery, which is roughly a 26% increase in capacity compared to the AVATA 2 battery. Despite carrying dual lenses and additional safety sensors, this upgraded battery should still allow around 25 to 30 minutes of real-world flight time, which is impressive for a hybrid camera FPV machine. The drone is also expected to support DJI's long-range transmission system, with a theoretical maximum range of around 20 kilometers under ideal conditions. While real-world distances will always be shorter, This strong signal capability helps ensure a stable connection during fast FPV flights or long cinematic passes. The airframe is rumored to be more aerodynamic and slightly larger than the standard AVATA series, accommodating the 360 lens system while still aiming for good maneuverability. Although its weight will likely be higher than a pure FPV craft, DJI seems to be balancing agility with stability, creating a drone that can perform smooth cinematic movements but is still responsive enough for dynamic FPV-style flying. The dual-mode nature of AVATA 360 means it can adapt to many different styles of shooting. In FPV mode, pilots can expect low-latency live video through DJI's goggles, giving them a responsive and immersive flying experience for action shots, chase scenes, or fast movement through complex environments. This mode benefits creators who want speed, energy, and flow in their videos. Meanwhile, the 360-degree mode lets the drone capture everything around it, allowing users to choose their camera angles later in editing. This shoot now, aim later workflow is extremely useful for travel videos, property tours, scenic landscapes, and VR-style content where viewers can look around freely. It also allows creators to fly without worrying too much about perfect framing during the flight. Combining these modes in a single flight opens the door to new types of filmmaking. A creator could fly an FPV path through a forest or canyon while recording 360-degree video, then extract multiple different angles from the same footage. Wide shots, forward shots, rear shots, overhead shots, all without flying again. This versatility makes AVATA 360 appealing for vloggers, filmmakers, event shooters, real estate creators, and even educators or virtual tour producers. While the DJI AVATA 360 appears incredibly promising, it is important to recognize that much of the available information is still unofficial. Real-world performance could differ from leaks, especially in areas like stitching quality, low-light capabilities, and how well the camera system stabilizes footage during fast FPV maneuvers. Capturing clean 360-degree video from a moving drone is technically challenging, and even small vibrations or lens misalignments can cause noticeable stitching errors. The mechanical complexity of having dual lenses and a rotating housing could also introduce durability concerns or require more careful maintenance compared to traditional drones. Another uncertainty is price. Based on the expected technology, sensors, and battery improvements, AVATA 360 will likely be positioned as a premium product, which may limit its accessibility for casual users. Editing full-resolution 8K 360-degree files also demands strong computer hardware and updated software support, meaning some creators may face a learning curve before using the drone efficiently. Despite these risks, the concept is strong enough that many creators are ready to accept the challenge for the potential creative payoff.